If you're looking for an amazing sauce that gives you something that tastes just like you've had it from the garden to the table, check out my boy at AG Bond Jamaican JoockyJam Jerk Sauce. It is all of your desires and needs. The ingredients are water, vinegar, pimento seed, thyme, green onions, browning, allspice leaves, and hot pepper. If you like your thing hot, this is one for you. It has different stars. This one that I purchased has 4 stars. When we say people, the thing burn your tongue when you put it on your tongue. Let me tell you, it is so nice. And the greatest part about it, it is vegan free, it is gluten free, and it's all natural ingredients. If you want a sauce, and they do ship to wherever you are, because I am in the UK and that's my bottle right there, I got it delivered in a great condition. The packaging was beautiful. Check him out, people. JoockyJam Sauce.